Okay, thank you, Bipin. Um, so, guys, can you hear me? I think we are okay to go now. Yeah. Monica Saptashwa Meghank. So, how do you read me? Okay. But self, okay. So, this is CADS is my own institute, and so is your train for SSB. It is a part of the. Okay. So, are you able to get me correct? Monica Meghank and Saptashwa. So I'm starting a new course, a small course which will help all of you to um, prepare not only for SSB but also for life. You know, be more confident about everything in life. Okay, Vishal Kumar, good afternoon. Meghank, Naveen, Monica, Saptashwa, right. So what I've done is I'm trying to carve out a new course, discover and develop yourself. So what earlier I had done in Unacademy also was a course which was basically for discovering oneself. So the development part of it was not really combined with it. So I'm coming out with this course, discover and develop yourself, right? Uh, Okay, Preetham, very good. Good to see you sharing these positive news. Very nice. So, welcome on this train for SSP. So, today we're going to start a new course, Discover and Develop Yourself. Now, in this course, what we're going to do is, right, as you can see this. So, firstly, it's about the personality, right? SSB is a test of personality. Now, personality, we got to know well about, very well about what our personality is like. So there are different ways in which you can find it out. The SSB, we try to find it out in different ways. But I have a different approach where I will be doing uh, some kind of an interview, you guys. So we will talk about your likes, right? Mm, we will talk about your likes, we'll talk about your what thought process you have, your creativity, your intellect, what drive, how much of drive do you have? Okay, Sandeep Kumar, Saptashwa, everybody, welcome. Right? So drive in the sense कि आप खुद कुछ करते हो या आपको धकेला जाता है, right? Traveling noob. Who is this traveling noob? Will you come out with your correct name? Traveling noob, right? So हम ये भी देखेंगे कि हमें खुद चलने की एनर्जी है या उत्साह हमें अपने आप है या हमें कोई जब बोलता है तब हम आगे बढ़ते हैं, right? So that is what the drive is. Okay, so Monica, you're not able to get it. I hope others are able to. Okay, fine. So then we'll also talk about the achievements. We'll talk about your failures. We'll talk about the goals and how important are these goals to us, right? Aditya Pandey. Okay, Aditya. अलग अलग नाम रख के आते हो, हाँ? Right. There was a movie of Sanjeev Kumar, no, when he played 9 characters. I do not know, I don't remember the name of the movie, but I think he played 9 characters, right? So ऐसे लग रहा है तुम लोग भी ऐसे कई कई characters नए रूप में आते हो on one अन अकेडमी के एक उसमें आप किसी और नाम से आते हो, असली नाम कुछ और है, ट्रेन फॉर एसएसबी में किसी दूसरे नाम से आते हो, but anyway, okay, so long as you are able to identify yourself and it is not inconvenient for me. Okay, so we're going to uh, explore. I'm going to explore or help you explore your own personality through these, through likes, through your thought process, through your creativity, your intellect, drive, achievements, failures, and goals. Right? So, अगर हम इन चीज़ों को पूरा देख लेंगे, we will be able to get a hang of what exactly is your personality like, और आपको खुद पता लगने लगेगा. All right, okay. Aditya Pandey, time. Right, so a quick brief about myself. Graduated from National Defence Academy and served in the Air Force for 31 years, more than 31 years. Been a former assessor with over 4,000 selection interviews at selection boards. Former head training division at Defence Institute of Psychological Research. Trained senior officers from the services as interviewing officers. Overseen training of GTOs and psychologists to be posted at SSBs, and been a mentor and founder of the CADS and train for SSB. You also see me in on Unacademy. Right? So that is regarding myself. Now, like I said, SSB is a test of personality, and koi bhi, not only SSB, even if you go for CAPF, you go for civil service, you go for any kind of a selection interview, right? So वहाँ पे केवल आपकी knowledge नहीं check हो रही है, it is also being checked कि आपका attitude किस तरह का है, आप सोच किस तरह की रखते हो, आपने लाइफ में क्या अचीव किया है, कैसे अचीव किया है, right? So there are a lot of aspects to your personalities which are checked in the interview, because आपका knowledge level by and large has been checked out in the written test. Okay, Abhay Singh, good afternoon. I do not know. Abhay Singh, are you from? How did you get into this? How did you come to know about this course, Abhay Singh? Right? Okay, so we're going to explore ourselves. In the sense, I would like you to explore yourself. What is it that you like? नंबर वन, ओके, बिकॉज आपकी जो पसंद नापसंद है उससे आपकी पर्सनैलिटी के बारे में बहुत पता लगता है। और जब आप खुद अपने को देखोगे, यू नो, यू ट्राई टू एनालाइज योर ओन what you call own likes, your own preferences, ठीक है। जनरली आप इसको एनालाइज नहीं करते हो, लेकिन अगर आप थोड़ा सा टाइम निकालोगे, समय निकालोगे अपने लिए, एंड देन यू ट्राई टू इंट्रोस्पेक्ट कि मेरी क्या क्या चीज़ पसंद करता हूँ, यू नो, यू जस्ट गो टू योर फेसबुक प्रोफाइल, यू गो टू योर सोशल मीडिया। अगर आप करते हो, yes, some people may not be on the social media, but otherwise also, you know, there are so many things that you okay, Abhay, fine, right? So there are so many things on the in your day-to-day life that you like, right? So आपकी फैमिली में कुछ हो सकता है, दोस्तों में कुछ हो सकता है, आपकी जो हॉबीज हैं, आपकी किस तरह के प्रोग्राम्स आप देखते हो, किस तरह की बुक्स आप पढ़ते हो, किस तरह की मूवीज आप देखते हो, राइट? और क्या करना चाहते हो। तो इसके प्रेफरेंसेस जितनी हैं उससे आपको अपने बारे में काफ़ी कुछ पता लग सकता है, राइट? सो थोड़े दिनों में ये सारी चीज़ें जो है ऑटोमेटिक आपको एक, यू नो, you will start getting a ready-made profile of yours, right? जिस तरह से AI चल रहा है and the Google and social media is going on, सारे आपके apps जो हैं they are able to find out what all you do, right? कितना एक्सपेंडिचर करते हो, कितना किस चीज़ पे एक्सपेंडिचर करते हो। तो ये सारी चीज़ें जो हैं आपको थोड़े टाइम के बाद में आई थिंक, नो, it is something, it is a fait accompli, we cannot help it. We are so engrossed in this, we can't do without apps. So हर ऐप जो है आपकी कुछ ना कुछ जो प्रोफाइलिंग है, it is able to do that, and somebody somewhere must be doing this, right? So वो आपसे शेयर करें ना करें, लेकिन आपको खुद अपने को पता करना होगा। कुछ चीज़ें उनसे आपको आपने छुपा के रखी होंगी, राइट? बिकॉज यू डोंट रिवील एवरीथिंग ऑन द social media, and which is a good thing. You don't have to reveal everything. So you need to now analyze for yourself कि आप क्या पसंद करते हो, राइट? आपने अभी तक की लाइफ में क्या अचीव किया है। नाउ डेफिनेशन ऑफ अचीवमेंट वी विल कम टू अ लिटिल लेटर। मोनिका, आई थिंक ये we'll have to see it in the context. अभी खरी I'm just trying to explain what we are going to do, right? So intervention की कैसे उसको सुलझाया जाए वो मैं आपको बाद में बताऊंगा, right, मोनिका? राइट? सो वेयर ऑल यू हैव फेल्ड, लाइफ में आपने बहुत सारी चीज़ें जो है अटेम्प्ट की होंगी, और कुछ चीज़ों में आपको फेलियर मिला हो, कुछ चीज़ों में सक्सेस मिली होगी। एब्सोल्युटली आदित्य, यू आर राइट, राइट? सो हाउ मच ऑफ सेल्फ ड्रिवन आर यू? आप खुद काम करते हो या आपको कोई और पुश करता है काम करने के लिए? सो दैट ऑल्सो यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट, बिकॉज being a leader you have to be self driven. You can't be, you know, procrastinating. You can't be saying कि अच्छा ठीक है कोई बोलेगा तो मैं कर दूंगा. You know, you got to take the lead, right? And where are you headed? What is your goal? आपका गोल क्या है, right? गोल क्या है, रोड ब्लॉक्स आपके उसमें क्या आ रहे हैं, राइट? ऑब्वियसली देयर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स व्हेन यू आर परस्यूइंग सम काइंड ऑफ अ गोल, आपको उसमें फेलियर्स मिल रहे हैं। और फेलियर्स क्यों आ रहे हैं? हो सकता है आप आपको समय नहीं मिल रहा है, आपका फोकस वहाँ पे नहीं है, तो या फिर आपके पास में कुछ साधन नहीं है, राइट? So these can be the roadblocks. You have to identify what are these roadblocks, right? एंड फाइनली हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट इज इट टू रीच देयर. आपके गोल्स जो हैं वो कितने इम्पोर्टेंट है आपके लिए, राइट? अगर बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है तो रिगार्डलेस ऑफ व्हाट द रोड ब्लॉक्स आर यू विल ओवरकम, राइट? अगर आपका गोल इतना इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है तो आप रास्ता भटक सकते हो, लेकिन अगर बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है आप दूसरे रास्ते निकालोगे, राइट? डू यू एग्री विद दिस? Right. So Ashwini Kumar, right. So Ashwini Kumar, you're from Balachedi, right? Mm, okay. Milan Tiwari, good afternoon. So, right. Now, I would like you people to now just introduce yourself. नाम आपका आ रहा है वहाँ पे. What is your goal, right? And where are you from? Mm, right, goal in the sense what entry and which place. All right. So quickly, I would like you to introduce yourself because I must know you people before I can start guiding you. Okay. Now this is supplementary to. There are a lot of you who are there from Unacademy. So जो चीज़ हम वहाँ पे नहीं करा पा रहे हैं समय की वजह से, that I'm going to do it over here, right? Additional thing. Plus those who are not on an academy, even for them, there is a lot that they can pick up from here. Okay, Sanam, good afternoon. How are you? Okay, blue uniform from Panchkula. Okay, very nice. Let me just do some noting down. Okay, continue. Keep introducing yourself. Okay, Meghank, you are for CDS, right? अपना क्वालिफिकेशन भी बताते जाओ. Okay, Saptashva. So Saptashva, you are from Jalpaiguri, right? Okay. Naveen, NCC Special Entry. Naveen, you are not given any CDS or some other entry? Okay, CDS entry also, because it is important, right? NCC entry may, there is a lot of competition. Competition in the sense for stage one, some 300 candidates called and just 30 recommended for for stage two. So that is the kind of thing. So you need to also have a backup plan. BTech in civil engineering. Okay, good. Aditya Pandey doing hotel management. So Aditya Pandey from Kanpur, right? Want to join defense? Any graduate entry NCC special? I belong to Bihar. Okay, so all right. Okay, fine. So now here, ladies and gentlemen, I one thing I'd like to say is ये जब मैं कोर्स यहाँ से आपको करा रहा हूँ, of course it is free of charge. There are no charges here. But only thing that I would like is your sincerity, right? Those who are sincere, those who are following the instructions, they will benefit, and I will be running to them, right? If suddenly out of the blue you come one day in the कि ठीक है मैंने 5 क्लास पे पहले अटेंड किया था और मेरे को ये बता दो, then I'm not going to respond. So you got to be sincere. So that is my requirement, right? Yeah, so Vishnu Sharma, the one question that comes to you is basically what is the difference between BE and BTech? Okay. All right. There is a difference between BE and BTech. Yes, Naveen, you can. You can. Okay, anyone can join. There is absolutely no problem, right? It is open. I mean, there is no subscription here. But only like I said, मेरी शर्त एक ये है कि you have to be sincere. All right. Yeah, no problem. Absolutely no problem. Okay, anyone from anywhere can come and can join. Right. Only thing, like I said, no, you got to be sincere. Okay, now next मैं आपको जो दिखाने जा रहा हूँ लाइफ लिस्टिकल्स, राइट? मैंने आपको बोला था कि वी मस्ट नो व्हाट आर आवर लाइक्स, हमारी लाइक्स क्या होती हैं, हमारी प्रेफरेंसेस क्या हैं, पसंद हमारी क्या है, उससे आपकी पर्सनालिटी के बारे में काफ़ी पता लगता है, राइट? सो नाउ आई वांट यू टू डू दिस. आप चाहे इसका एक स्क्रीनशॉट ले सकते हो, चाहे आप इसको लिख सकते हो. आई वुड लाइक टू I like all of you to do this exercise, right? नाउ इसमें आपने लिखना है 2 items each. Okay. uh, why को हम बाद में बात करेंगे, ठीक है. फर्स्ट आई जस्ट वांट यू शुड हैव योर आंसर्स रेडी विद यू. ओके. विष्णु, आपके पास में इसके आंसर्स होने चाहिए. एज फार एज आई एम कंसर्न, आई वुड जस्ट लाइक पॉइंट वाइज रिप्लाई, राइट. अर्पिता भदौरिया, good afternoon, welcome. Yes, I've said on this group, right? Okay, Sanam, understood? Right, so can we move forward? Let's move forward. Having done all this, we should be able to realize our strengths, your areas for growth, your areas of interest, positive orientation, greater self belief, and at ease with oneself, right? And of course, there will be some add ons also, right? So, which I'll let you know as we move ahead. Okay, no problems, Arpita. So why do you require positivity, right? So when we say, one part is discovering yourself, and the second part is developing yourself, right? So develop करने के लिए आप में एक पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड होना बहुत जरूरी है. Right. And this is also required because there is too much of negativity, newspaper, TV shows, talk shows, social media, people around us. There is a lot of negativity in the environment, right? और उस negativity को overcome करना बहुत जरूरी है to get into the positive thought process. Idea of growth means you can say weak areas, right? Aditya. Okay, Naveen, no problems. Suchitra Yadav, good afternoon. Yeah, Suchitra and Arpita, and who else has joined late? Okay. Um, Now I'll just go back. Okay, this is for those who have come a little late, right? So this is discover and develop yourself. Like I said, uh, to explore yourself, you must know what are your likes, what is your thought process, what is the creativity, if at all, within you. Okay, the intellect, drive, achievements, failures, and your goals, right? So this is for those who have come a little late. SSB is a test of personality. Personality को पता करने के लिए you need to explore yourself. Okay. So what is it that you like? What have you achieved so far? And why you have achieved that also will go into what all, where all have you failed and why have you failed? How much of self-driven are you? Where are you headed? What are your goals? What are the roadblocks that you find in your goals? How important is it to reach there? So we will focus on all these areas one by one, right? And I would like you to introduce yourself quickly as far as your goal is concerned, entry, and which place are you from, right? So those who have joined later may like to uh, tell me here, right? Your goal and your place. Uh, okay. Then this is the life listicles, like I said, which are your likes. लाइफ में आप क्या क्या चीजें पसंद करते हो व्हेन आई से लिस्टिकल्स आपने देखा होगा फाइव थिंग्स आई लाइक फाइव प्लेसेस आई लाइक टू गो एंड फाइव थिंग्स दैट यू लाइक टू ईट तो इस तरह के एक लिस्टिकल्स होते हैं सोशल मीडिया में बड़े कॉमन है सो उसको मैंने अपने लाइफ में आप क्या पसंद करते हो सो आई हैव ड्रिवन इट आई मीन drawn it from there and I'm calling it life listicles, right? All right. But Suchitra, I have not seen your what entry and this thing. Perhaps I have not noted it down. Can you just repeat, Suchitra Yadav? What entry and place? And what's your qualification? Okay, so do the exercise. This is the expected outcome provided you follow the instructions, subject to following the instructions meticulously. Okay, so like I said, assessment or finding out what do we have in ourselves is one part, and how do we improve upon our personality, that is the next part. So one thing is that you need to have a positive attitude. Okay, expressing gratitude helps to improve your satisfaction with life. The moment you um, start being appreciative of others, right? Thanking others, you will find that you get some peace yourself. You become more stable. जो देता है और वो हमेशा रिसीव करने वाले से बड़ा होता है, राइट? तो अगर आप किसी को थैंक्स भी दे रहे हो, सो यू फील मच मच बेटर. ओके. ओके. Okay, so you need to be expressing gratitude. Try and follow these things. Um, the more you follow, the more regular you are, you will feel the results coming sooner, right? Yeah, be thankful for so many things in your life. Okay. Okay, now I want you to answer this. How do you feel when you achieve something? Okay, just tell me the emotion, the feeling that you have when you have achieved something in life. Okay, quickly. Okay, happy and confident, more motivated. Yes. Okay, feeling proud, courage, self belief. Okay, all right. So, अगर हम if we try and see that all these feelings, right? So that you experience when you achieve something, that means कि अगर इसको हम रिवर्स इंजीनियरिंग करें और हम इसको अप्लाई करें कि जब हम when we feel wonderful, when we feel motivated, when we feel happy, excited, after doing something, okay, when you say achievement, that means you have put in some effort and you have achieved something, कुछ उसका result निकला है, right? उसका नतीजा सामने आया है after some efforts, right? Now if you try and see in your life what even if you have you know done something जिसके लिए आपको एक सर्टिफिकेट या मेडल नहीं मिल रहा है, राइट? लेकिन आपको खुशी मिल रही है, यू फीलिंग हैप्पी, यू फीलिंग सेंस ऑफ वर्थ, राइट, वर्थफुल, यू फीलिंग कॉन्फिडेंट, यू फीलिंग एक्साइटेड, राइट? सो जरूरी नहीं है कि इट हैज टू बी समथिंग वेयर यू गॉट अ मेडल, वेयर यू गॉट अ सर्टिफिकेट, वेयर you know had a podium finish. That is in the conventional form of achievement. Now I am going beyond the conventional form of achievement and I am saying अगर आपने फैमिली में कुछ ऐसा किया है जिससे आपका आपको बहुत खुशी मिली है, you got a pat on your back, you are feeling that you really done something good for the family and you feel more motivated. It could be for the family, it could be helping a friend. Now, helping a friend or helping somebody, you don't get a certificate, right? Do you get a certificate from your friends that, okay, on such and such occasion, he has helped me, I hereby award him this certificate, right? You don't get that, isn't it? Okay. So this morning, I think Aditya shared some picture of delivering some food packets on some highway. Okay. So Aditya, am I right? ओके तो ऐसा करने के बाद में आपको कुछ अच्छा लगा? डिड यू फील समथिंग? या सो कैन यू कंपेयर दिस फीलिंग विद सम काइंड ऑफ एन अचीवमेंट? जब आपने कुछ अचीव किया हो, यू आर इनटू लॉट ऑफ एक्टिविटीज, राइट? यू गॉट सर्टिफिकेट, यू गॉट लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स, और जो आप इस तरह का कुछ अगर काम करते हो, उससे जो आपको सेटिस्फैक्शन और हैप्पीनेस मिलती है, you sense of pride that you get, right? Is Can you compare this with those kind of achievements where you get a certificate, right? So the point is to do anything where, when you do certain acts, उसमें आपकी कुछ ना कुछ क्वालिटीज आती हैं जिसकी वजह से आपने वो अचीवमेंट किया है, राइट? यस. Okay, just give me 30 seconds. Huh? Yeah. Okay. Happy faces or small kids were best feeling itself. Yes. So this is now. What is the act behind this? Huh? Aditya, the act behind all this is your helping attitude, right? You go on and help people, right? You fed them some food or whatever you wanted to give them. ओके, सो इससे आपकी क्या क्वालिटी उभर के आ रही है? Right? So these acts, they bring out certain qualities that are your strengths. Okay. So like, if you go for, let us say, you are the topper of your class. So there is some quality that is responsible for getting that, um, position or topping the class. You have got a very good grasp. You are hardworking. You are regular. Yes, and you are focused. So these are some qualities that go behind topping a class or doing academically very well. Okay. ओके सो अगर आप 100 मीटर में फर्स्ट आते हो, सो ऑब्वियसली यू हैव सर्टन क्वालिटीज, थिंग्स लाइक यू नो यू हैव quick start, right? You have got a very good stamina. You have worked hard for it. You know, because of your hard work, your practice, your concentration, your agility. These are the reasons why you have been able to come first in a 100 meter sprint, right? So उससे आपकी कुछ क्वालिटीज उभर के आती हैं. So ऐसे ही आपने कुछ ऐसे काम किए होंगे जिसको हम बोल सकते हैं unsung. राइट. सो देर आर दोज एक्टिविटीज और अचीवमेंट्स जिसके लिए आपको सर्टिफिकेट मिले, देर आर दोज एक्टिविटीज जिसके लिए आपको अवार्ड्स मिले, मेडल्स ट्रॉफीज मिली है, राइट? आपके साथ में फोटो खींची है विद सम सेलिब्रिटी और वॉट एवर प्राइज लेते हुए. बट देर आर दोज काइंड ऑफ अचीवमेंट्स और दोज काइंड ऑफ एक्ट्स दैट यू हैव पार्टिसिपेटेड इन, जिसकी वजह से आपको बहुत खुशी मिली है, लेकिन आपको सर्टिफिकेट नहीं मिला है, आपको कोई मेडल नहीं मिला है, राइट? लुकिंग आफ्टर समबडी हु इज सिक, राइट? आपके परिवार में, आपके फैमिली में या कोई भी जो है, कोई अगर बीमार है, समवन इज हॉस्पिटलाइज्ड, राइट? So somebody needs to look after the people in the hospital or the patient in the hospital, or uh, it could also be that holding the fort as far as your home is concerned. घर में आप काफ़ी काम बटाते हो जिसमें आप अगर मान लो आपकी मदर या फादर कोई जो नॉर्मली घर में काम करते हैं, दे आर नॉट देयर, और उनकी जगह आप वो एक्टिविटीज कर रहे हो, सो ऑब्वियसली तो दीज आर ऑल्सो showing some kind of a quality जो कि which you need to register, right? So when we see your the quality achievements जहाँ पे आपको सर्टिफिकेट मेडल्स मिले, that is very clear, वो तो सबको दिखाई देता है. लेकिन ये जो unsung achievements हैं, right? All these unsung achievements are important, which you don't take notice of, right? And I have okay, so I have right. I think there is there some audio problem in between? Okay, so now what I would like you to do is make a list of your um, okay. or you can make it okay, 3 achievements each. Number one, um, getting award, certificate, medal, etc. Right? And second, unsung achievements. All right. So I would like you to make a list of 6 achievements, right? 3 each, right? 3 here and 3 here. That makes it total 6. Okay. If you have a problem, then you can swap. कहीं आप 4 और 2 भी कर सकते हो, no problems. All right. So kindly please note it down. So likewise, we will also look at failures. Okay, not today. We will look at failures. We will look at we'll also look at critical incidents and adverse situations जहाँ पे आपका किस तरह का आपका behavior रहा है when you have been face to face with adverse conditions, right? Now, what are these critical situations, adverse conditions? That we will get to know, later. Right? So next class we will have after 3 days, and keep tuned in. I will pass on the information on the group. I do hope that you have subscribed to the channel and you are a member of the WhatsApp group, right? Anybody who's not a member of the WhatsApp group can let me know. Anyone who's not on WhatsApp group, train for SSB, that is. ब्लड डोनेशन कम्स ब्लड डोनेशन को आप अनसंग वो बोल सकते हो. देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम. आदित्य. Okay, so I'm going to fine tune this particular course, right? So keep giving your suggestions or your problem areas, right? Chalo, thank you very much, and you can also catch me on Unacademy, right? Chalo, thank you very much. Right. So I think as we move on, these technical